Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be making a speed test between Google's Nearby Share and then Apple's AirDrop. And both features are used in sending files between phones. And the phones I'm going to be using is a Google Pixel 3 XL right here and then a Samsung A11 right here. And also with the AirDrop, I'm going to be using an iPhone 8 right here and an iPhone 8 Plus, which I'm currently shooting the video with. So first of all, I'm going to send a video which I shot on my phone, and then I'm actually going to send the same file size with the AirDrop too. So I'm going to go to the settings and we're going to see that this is 187 megabytes. So I'm actually going to send it right away to this phone and we're going to see how long it's going to take. So immediately it starts, I'm going to press on the timer right here so that we see how long it's going to take for this to send. So I'm going to tap on share, and then before we do that, we're going to go to nearby share and then tap on it, and then we tap on this side more, and then we tap on nearby share right here, and then I tap on this. So it's gonna give me an acceptance notification right here. I'm gonna press this and the timer together. So 1, 2, 3, we go. So Nearby Share used 1 minute 7 seconds right here to send a file which is 187 megabytes from this Google Pixel 3 XL to this Samsung A11, and I'm going to send the same file from an iPhone 8 Plus to this iPhone 8 right here. So save this timer right here, and I'm going to screenshot it for you guys so that in the course of the video you guys are going to compare the times together. So I'm going to use AirDrop to send the same file I sent using the Nearby Share. So I'm going to go to my photos, and then we tap on this side, and then when we check on the size of the video right here, we're going to see that it's 187 megabytes like it was on the other phone too. And then I'm going to tap on this side, but before you do that, you should make sure your AirDrop is on, and you can see everything is on. I tap on AirDrop here, immediately I tap on this side, and then I get a pop-up here. I'm going to tap it together. 1, 2, go. Okay, so it took AirDrop 7 seconds to send a 187 megabyte file between these two phones, and Google should actually up their game in order to just kill the time in between phones when they're trying to share files. And probably maybe I'll do another video comparing two Google Pixel phones trying to share files between themselves, and I'm sure probably maybe the time was because this phone is actually a Samsung phone and then the Google Pixel phone was the one I was sending the file from. So maybe in between phones too may vary. So I'm actually gonna try a Google Pixel phone and then see how fast it's gonna be. But by far we can see that AirDrop is very fast than Nearby Share as it stands now. So in the later updates or in future updates, probably maybe it might get close or something. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share to anyone you think there's going to be helpful to them too. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.